What's up, guys? Okay, I'm going to take you on a little tour of Oldfield Gap. It's this road that runs parallel to 129. So a lot of you know where I'm at, but for those that don't, this is Topoco Lodge resort restaurant. Real great place to eat and hang out, get rooms. And this is Chillowa River. So this is 129 right here. We're about 4 miles south of the Tennessee-North Carolina border. We're in North Carolina now. So with that as your reference, hopefully you'll be able to follow along where I'm going here. Lori is, my wife is following behind me in the Macan, just for fun, little support vehicle. So we're going to turn off on this left-hand road. This is Meadow Branch. We'll go up here a little ways, and we're going to make a hard right. These guys on dirt bikes are just looking for a dirt road to play on, looks like. But yeah, this road, not a very well-known road. Not much on it. It's more or less an emergency bypass in case 129 gets washed out by Chillowa River. Kind of rough, so if you're not on something that's very forgiving in the suspension department, then you may not be the road for you. But it's kind of neat. It's typical twisty road. And there's a little bit of gravel here and there, but mostly it's just a little rough. Like they put down the aggregate and then they don't really steamroll it. Steeper uphill section here. Dirty turn. Everybody cuts it. That lives back up in here and travels regularly. Got to kind of watch out for people on the wrong side of the road. Areas like this with very little traffic, people start getting kind of lazy about their driving and lane discipline. One of the nice things about the road being busy sometimes, it keeps people constantly reminded that, hey, there's oncoming traffic, don't do anything outside your lane. Coming up on our road here on the right. Note the mileage, just like a couple miles in here. This is a acute angle. So this is Oldfield Gap. This brings us out over by the water pipe that goes over 129 as you travel, south of towards Robbinsville, or if you're going from Robbinsville to the store. They recently sort of did the resurfacing deal on it, but you can tell by my voice, I apologize, it's a little bit bumpy. Not bad, but this bike is this is my little Benelli 135, and it has little 12-inch wheels. And it's a street-oriented, setup, so not super soft. suspension-wise or anything. And then me being kind of lightweight, I think that's even a little bit stiffer than it needs to be for someone my size. But it works pretty good on smoother roads. On these rough ones, it doesn't really bother me. It's actually not a bad road at all on this bike, but I can tell when I'm talking, making my voice bounce around some from the jolting. If I wasn't speaking, I'd be flying turkey on the right. It kind of goes up to a summit. And I know we're going downhill right now, but for the most part, you go uphill to a summit, and then once you go over that, obviously, then it's kind of downhill to the other side. There's a couple of houses back in here, but for the most part, it's empty. Just got to watch out for, like, that gravel right there on the inside of some of these turns. It doesn't get, like I said, it doesn't get much traffic. There's not really any need to be driving this road for the most part. It's gravel right here. Other than, like I said, a couple of houses back in here, there's no point in driving down this road if you don't live on it. So it stays pretty barren. Hunters, like we saw back there maybe. But that 129 is just sort of, we're above it. It's down there on the right. You can't see it here, but there's a couple places where you can actually see the river, Killboy River, and at 129. Pretty fun road if you want to jump. You want to get away from, you know, maybe it's a little bit busy up on the main roads, the typical stuff. To sort of get away and take a nice drive through a section that will probably be desolate, even on the busiest Saturday. I'm thinking about doing some of these videos. I know there's a lot of roads, you know, within a couple of hours of this area that, you know, we know some of them, but I know there's a lot that we don't know of, and it's this conundrum we deal with. People, you know, want to keep everything hidden, so if this doesn't fit your mindset, I understand, but if you maybe have a fun road that's not very well known in your area, and you want to invite me out, and we'll go do a little tour of it, and I'll let you lead me through. Now, I think it would be a pretty cool series. A lot of gravel here. Sort of ride with, you know, whoever, and sort of in their backyard, so to speak, on their turf, and I'll follow them, bike or car, and we go check out some of the other roads that I may not know about. So if you think that you might know of a road like that, hit me up, private message or comment for the video, and we'll see if we can arrange something where I can get out your way and check out some of the roads in your area. It needs to be, you know, at least a good 10 miles long. Depending on how far away it is, I'm not going to drive 5-6 hours out and do a 1-2 mile road. So we're kind of going downhill now. Notice the bike gets quieter. Gravel. drop-off down there on the right. River right there beside us. We're getting close to the bottom now. River's flowing the opposite direction that I'm moving, which is weird because I feel like I'm moving downhill. It's almost as if the river's flowing uphill. But down here is our little split, and if you want to continue to the left, that'll take you on over to 28 and Lower Sawyer. But we're going to stay to the right here, and this little short run will take us out to 129, right next to the water pipe I was telling you about in the beginning. This road's a little smoother. It's actually older, but they little cemetery up there. Oops, sorry. Yeah, they did a better job when they initially paved it. But it is starting to degrade here and there, so still a little rough, but not as washboard as that one Oakville gap that we just came off of. Is a Garmin Verb 360. Records everything all around me and has some really cool features like connectivity. Squirrel! Right, squirrel. Bluetooth connectivity for the audio so I can connect it to my helmet. Intercom system. And by this annoying dialogue along the way. Jug of antifreeze. You guys are welcome to move the camera around. Well, ran off the left side of the road, just jumped. Yeah, down there you can see the river at 129 below us. There's actually a big truck that, I don't know how it happened, but he fell off the side here a while back and ended up tumbling down and landed on the pavement down there, and they had to like flip it back over, and maybe right up here where they built this little embankment. Pretty recent there, but it kind of scarred the road up, left a mark there. So here's that pipe that goes over 129. 129's right there, and then Chillow River's over there on the far side of it. Keep low. So you might, a lot of you that are from the area may recognize where we're at now. So we're just driving alongside 129, and we're almost to that Outland convenience store up here on the inside of on the right, inside of a right-hand turn. Gravel road to explore there. All right, so there you have it. That was Oldfield Gap and its connecting road to get back out to 129. So like I said, it just kind of runs parallel to 129, and gives us a alternate route in case this river floods out the road, which has happened in the past, and they'll wash away a piece of the road. So while they're fixing it, they divert traffic up through here, go around all that rough stuff, and then come back around. Hope you enjoyed it. Check back for more videos of other roads around the area. And like I said, if you've got a road that you think would be cool to showcase to some other people, we'll try not to blow it up too big. But, yeah, leave me a comment, hit me up, and we'll work something out. Later, y'all.